kalau don ke show cause notice ke bala pa she principal jong ke government girls secondary high secondary school jawai ha ke ba la keno la ong ba ki kenoi kai ke principal kelasha ya ki kena bentem da kata jeng rai ha ke por be ki recommend teachers day kata ke santri ku September da ka ong ba ki pen ken ya ki kendon jong ke government conduct rules ti hendre ke ladon ke kedon ke jing bam sngu thu jing mut kong hang ni ke baki ong ba ngim kam dolong shai kata government conduct rules ka clause you ke bakat nu ke ba ke sarkar ka shim ban pha ya kata ka show cause notice sha ke principal pila ban pen shai hang ni khnyan
ti hau ka baning kong banda pen shai yang por bokot man ra ya kata ka clause tingala wan ra man ngaptip ka shuwan pisuong yawan mo ngin ya kren tingalawan ti banlong specific hadu kata banlong under which clause for which clause ti I really don't know namar kam de ke department jonga ti tongin siya kren kelum ka syukos ka long bench kampat day mo ka restriction kadang day ka jingpan jubab ti ka jingpan jubab halor ka jing pentem ngatrai ka jing ruai ni ti kata ka jing ruai ka mention day ya ka political party yes ti lada pisya no kumta ti kan biang lada ngangam tip subuh menta barkhot ki school ki sedang ban ya tem ya ka jing ruai ka bakren shapang ka political symbol jong ka no ka political party tinggi sumudur mangi hanga ngampat shong meeting berki ngampat tip ka e baki kwa tang ba bansya than ya ka politics bakan rung namar ka jirwai ko ong bet ya ka symbol jong ka way ka political party ka badon ya kata ka symbol ti ka jingkali ka long hatong ngin shusha ngin shusngam ngin sha ikibriu la shai dawan sakwai pat ka jirwai jong ka way pade ka political party tingin siya mo iki students bakin long carried away with that ngataray ka jingkali ka day hangta had it been any other song without mention of a political party symbol then likely government also would not have interfered but you've seen this oppression everywhere. Why are you saying only in Shillong? You've seen Christian schools which have been told to remove photos of their saints, of the image of their God. So where do you draw a line? Where do you draw a line? When an institution starts a morning assembly with a prayer, even that is now being objected to. So whether or not government has a mandate to send an instruction to institutions, that is a different debate altogether. Ka sarkar ka snubit, but these are the instructions that we will send to institutions. Number one, no politics in institutions. Number two, certain governments have said, no religious symbols in any schools. People have also said, in your assembly, you will not do anything, don't pray. So, it's debatable, but my opinion is that let us not inculcate a situation where a symbol of a political party is being entertained in an educational institution for the simple reason that there could be strong objection even from amongst the students. Like, I don't like this party, or I like that party. We'd like kids in institutions to stick to education. Go there, learn, receive an education, and don't indulge, because institutions, especially under 12, under class 12, should stick to syllabi, should stick to knowledge gaining, rather than, inculcation of these political concepts which likely should not be there in institutions. I believe that that is the matter, and I don't know. I'm yet to engage because I don't know. But asking a a principal of a government-owned school for a show cause is absolutely a regular thing that is done. We usually show cause institutions again and again. In fact, even today, you've seen this hall is empty. So what are you going to do? You're now going to penalize the institution for not allowing students to come and participate in this? So it's a matter of perspective. At this one instant, government, in its wisdom, has said, let us not allow students of a certain age to get into these political wars which are not going to be healthy for their own education. I think that is what my mind is at this point of time.
Okay, kong kulish pun. Ti ngakwa jing pensyari na iba Batskhem Myrboh namar ba kadon ka jing bam ngutho jing mut imat tharai hapdeng ka jong pi bat ki baki MLA jong ka seng ka jong pi ma kidon ba ong ba kani kam de ka jing rai ka balong official jong ka seng na padeng kibdan na padeng pi baki ba ong ka long official long kam don ka clarity hang tu kan bila am pensyai khendiat la kani ka jing rai ka de ne em ka jong U Prah
Idon nang thajirwa hang ni kam tip hai ka ta te I la pensyai hendai kong UP ba nagaliang juga VPP ngimdon ka official song paro ko gijirwai spang ka VPP spang pra kita gijirwai bla taw lagi nong Kharshiing sungi hendai banong ba ngida officially adopt bangin submit igani saka election commission dan ne bakalong official gajongi bangida don ka copyright kam don kung kata tendingen keren ngan ka kawai ka pangakwa ba no ni kalong ba haba pikiran sa pangani gijing ruai gen kamda haba temmi gani gijing ruai kamut pi haba pitem gijing ruai ya kanine no ganu no gijing ruai ru kamut pa pikir shan ni ko party kalaman nong ba pistonat ni gijing ruai tingang temmi gijing ruai ki ba chong ki political party ki ba ngam support baro ngatem ngamong ipi bangam tem henry ngam Kharshiing ni ki Baling atem bang astunat di kejeruai, astunat di kentin kejeruai, astunat di kerkom ruai. Te habang item di kejeruai, it does not mean ba ngisim ya politics kejoki.